There's this thing Ali used to tell us. You say, trust the process. This process for sure will get you a job. No matter how well you dissect it, just trust the process. It will land you into a job. It took me a while to finish the program because I had a personal issue. But the class to the project, it took me like a year. And then from the project to the job, it took me like another year. So like almost 2 years. It was a slow process for me, but eventually I got here. I mean, just the inspiration, just like these sessions that we are having, looking at people who were nothing and just seeing how their life changed, that used to push me because I could see like, how people are living. I'm like, okay, this person is just like me. I can do it too. So just look at these people and just put yourself in their shoes. Like, okay, these people are coming from this background and look at them now. So that's what really helped me to push through the program.